Different countries, same struggles, same jokes, same neighborhood. Say no to xenophobia, to xenophobia. Amapiano.